Yeah.
It was, well, I was 8 when I left Fair Isle, so when my folk left Fair Isle.
Yeah.
Took thee with him.
Yeah, well, thankfully. Maybe for me, I don't know. I'm not sure.
Yeah.
But yeah, so kind of avoided the inevitable hostel stress as well, you know, because I think that's a really tough thing for at Bairns for Fair Isle.
It's a lot war. It's a lot war, I think, for the Fair Islands and the Fullines. Like I get to the hostel, but like I get in third year, and it's kind of a bit more an adventure, I think, when you're that pretty bit older.
Exactly that. And you got him at weekends, likely.
Yeah.
So that's the difference, I think.
Yeah.
It's the Bairns with Fair Isle, then I get him at weekends, once a term or something like
Yeah,
that.
I'd
It's
like
kind of.
Easter and
Yeah.
that's no use. Like,
Well, that's the way it is. Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Who was in Yale? Well, you came for Yale.
Yeah.
Cullywood is for.
no, Mid-Yale.
Mid-Yale.
Mid-Yale. Well, Sannock, West Sannock, and then Mid-Yale. We flat to Mid-Yale when I was 6, so I mind maybe less.
Like,
Maybe
Big
less.
move,
Big move for you. It's like when we moved out of Fair Isle, Dad was determined that he still could see Fair Isle, for the nest. So we moved like to the nearest point of land in the mainland, right at Scatness there.
Is
so
that right?
yeah, so we can still see Fair Isle. Reminiscing about the old North boat, Kane, and how good fun it was when we were students. And
Yeah.
the night that all the students left Shetland on the boat to go south was such a good spree.
That was a hell of a good spree.
It was just like a nightclub full of students on the water. Really good fun.
They had the band as well.
They had the band and they had the Coothie bar. It was kind of, the back bar was open. It was good fun and it was just kind of old school and it was great.
Yeah.
And it's kind of different now. It's not such a, it's kind of more fancy boat, but it's not got the same kind of character.
It does no. There's no the some crack with it.
No.
I like when we were not this summer.
Yeah.
I ran into Owen Strachan.
Oh boy.
So we were minding that as well. Like we were minding the old boat and in the bar. Like the bar, I think the bar shut at like 6:30.
Yeah.
And then I opened again at 7.
Yeah, it was a carry on.
Yeah.
It was a carry on.
Yeah, so like I don't know if if the health guidelines would
No.
totally approve of that, but
No.
it had a quality to it.
Yeah. No, it was great fun. It was great fun. And we all gid south and then.
And then this time of year as well, then you'd get the Sam on the way not.
Yeah, everybody going home for Christmas and that.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah.
Do bides in Partick now, and so do I in Glasgow.
That's right. Yeah,
My heavens, eh?
yeah. We gravitated to the Sam postcard near you.
Yes,
Yeah. Well, the first
exactly,
sample,
exactly that. Yeah. What does the mark of Glasgow?
Took me a while to get the hang of it.
Mm-hmm.
I studied in Stirling
Yeah.
because it was almost like, in a way, it was actually Stirling Uni is actually period in Shetland. So it's almost certainly more insular.
Mm-hmm.
Although it's entirely landlocked, so it was like a strange. It was a good place to go for me because having that level of civilization was a nuke to cope with. We then trying to navigate like a hell urban landscape like Glasgow, and then I kent Edinburgh a bit because my brother had been in Edinburgh since I was like about 16. So I'd been there a couple of times and I kind of had a handle on it. And only time I came to Glasgow, it too big for me brain to cope with, I think.
Bless thee, boy. Pretty bit of ooh, hindy lug still.
Yeah, I couldn't figure out how it all worked. But then I route to a place down here in Glasgow, and then I was biding in Stirling again, and I was kind of like getting the train up on Friday night from Glasgow to Stirling, thinking maybe I should just
Yeah,
bide in Glasgow tonight.
Yeah.
There might be a bit more going on.
yeah, yeah.
And then eventually, like, I got my cousin has a flat, and she rents rooms out, so I got a room in her flat. Just a week before the Labour Party won their second election in like 2001 or whatever it was. And then she had a massive party. She had like a massive election party. So I was like, okay,
Yeah,
now I see.
yeah, what's all about.
Yeah.
When I first came to Glasgow, I didn't ken any Shetlanders at all.
Yeah.
I don't think there was any.
Yeah.
Maybe one or two, but I didn't ken them, you know. And that was whatever, 30 years ago now.
Yeah.
And now we're just crawling everywhere. Andrew, he's just round the corner in Scotstoun, and me and Dee and Partick. Cooper, he bides in Hindland, and Cara. And yeah, so there's Ian's kind of going about, like.
That's right.
So
That's right.
there's no need to ever want for Sassermate around here.
Well, we had to look after him.
That's it, yeah.